So you guys probably don't need help using fire call because it's just left clicking of the mouse or on there, same thing. That's basically what it's telling you to do, is how to get between the different panels. Okay, so go for it, guys. So click on your new job. You can pick whatever job you like, just maybe not too, so you've got something a bit new. It's going to be a bit noisy and hectic, but we're used to that. If you want to skip that, it's up to you. You can click to skip.
You can do one or two. Or three. I've got more on one or two.
All good.
Some of the staff said it smells like the automatic evacuation has started. I'm familiar with the panel, so I'll give you a hand to operate. Silence the local alarm and we'll go up and check it out. Yeah, that's it. That's the bell off.
So you simply just want to skip it.
This is the officer in charge. I'm in zone 4. Can you isolate this section? Isolate zone 4. You have now isolated the alarm in zone 4.
Very good, Shane.
That's it. Now you're at the end.
And the redwood phone, that's it, so you click there, and flashing light.
It's a good idea to hang it up at the end of each call.
Flashing light.
That way you'll hear the phone ring if another call
Just
comes
next to
through.
it, yeah.
It's a floor warden from zone 4.
This
All
one.
my people in the zone have evacuated. I'll just have one last look around and call you back.
So I've got one in alarm, so isolate, it's an alarm, zone 4, yeah, so isolate 4 and enter.
Yeah.
Press the zone man button for zone 4.
Oh yeah.
Press the zone man button for zone 4.
So,
Okay, so let's silence
Yeah,
the
that's
bells.
it. That tells us that zone 4 is manned.
That's it.
That's the bell off.
there we go.
And enter.
Zone 3 floor warden here. We'll be ready to evacuate in a minute or so. I'll call you back when evacuation
Now
is
to
complete.
Ibis, because that's the redwood phone ringing, so
Yeah.
go down
Yeah,
there.
that's it. That tells us that zone 3 is manned.
That's it.
That's it. Now you're at the Ibis panel.
There we go, now click on the phone. Are you guys reading each other? And the flashing light as well.
That way you'll hear the phone.
Zone 4 floor warden again. I'm the last one to leave. Zone Vincent is now evacuated. All my people in the zone have evacuated. I'll just have one last look around and call you back.
Yeah, that's it. That tells us that zone 4
And
is
also
clear.
cancelling your manned.
Yeah, that's it. That cancels the
Do I click
original
on the
zone
phone again?
man.
So you got to call
That
back?
tells us that
Yep,
zone
you
4
hang
is
up
no
just by
longer
a single
manned.
click. That's it. What did he ask us to
He's
do?
going to hang your walls back.
Oh, okay,
Press the
cool.
zone man button.
Oh, okay. So, where did they range in there?
Yep.
Before? So what we do is we click on the yellow zone man, so that's like part of our login process.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. That tells us that zone 4 is manned. Yeah, that's it. That tells us that zone 5 is manned.
And flashing light.
Zone 3 floor warden here. We'll be ready to evacuate. Zone 3 floor warden here. I'll call you. Evacuation is complete. I'm the last person to leave.
Okay, so basically she was telling us that,
Hero.
she was saying that that was zone 4.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep, and she's basically
Yeah, that's
saying that she
That
was
cancels
there,
the
but it's not
original zone
clear.
man
So
light,
you
which
pretty
tells us
much,
that zone 3 is no
and she'll give
longer
you a call
manned.
back when it's cleared, so that's all good, just hang up the door phone.
This is officer in charge in zone 4. We've got a fair bit of smoke up here. Can I have someone go to
Oh, zone 3.
the
Okay.
5 fan
So
control
she called on
panel?
zone 3 then, so we won't press.
Can
Set up the outdoor.
I have someone check the 5 fans and make sure they're in the inverted position? Yeah, this is the 5 fan control panel.
That's good.
Oh, yeah.
That's it, isn't it?
That is it, yeah. No.
That's right.
The switch is now in the auto position. This is the officer in charge up on zone 4. Looks like they've just burned foodstuffs up here. Only a small amount of this
Okay, so black and
Stop the
white.
evacuation. Repeat. Shut down the evacuation. You need to turn the key to the manual. To turn the key in this program,
So hang up
that's
this.
it. The key needs to
Yeah,
be
and
on
have they,
manual to take control of the
evacuated?
evac
Yes.
system.
Yeah, so which
The
level
key in
was
the manual
that?
position
Four.
will
Okay,
cascade
so
sequence of the
you hang up the
evac
phone
system.
and then you do zone cancel
Start
again
at zone
and
6
you
and work your way
activate the zone for
Start at
you.
zone 6 and work your way
The
down the
green
panel.
one next to it.
Press the Start at zone 6 and work
And
your
then
way
another
down
one
the
there.
panel. Press
It's
the
all right.
evacuate button for zone 6.
Well, there's two.
Yes, yes, but see that one can't be manned and cleared.
Start at zone
Just to,
Start at zone
just
6.
to one bit. That's
That's it.
nice.
Now press the original. Now press it. Now press it. Now. 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 That's the evac and alert zones cancelled. Now turn off any zone
Okay,
fan.
so zone five. Yep, so pick up the phone. It's kind of funny with the buttons, but you pick it up, push the button, and flash the line.
You need to press the zone man and zone cleared buttons to turn off each light. That's it. The evacuation is cancelled. Attention all personnel. This is the chief warden. The evacuation has been cancelled.
Call back when they're.
Repeat. The evacuation has been cancelled. It is not necessary to evacuate the building. That's
So
the announcement
the
done.
yellow
Now
button
continue
on
with
five,
resetting
on
the
the
panel.
other, that's it.
Turn the key to isolate. That's it. Now press the system fault silence button. No operating lights are showing. That's good. Now return the key to the auto. That's it. Now reset the fire
Oh, I think so.
indicator.
That's what I thought it was.
Now reset the fire indicator
There
panel.
we go. It's a busy little phone, this one.
Well, there's 3 floors involved now.
Yeah.
Now take zone
Or
4
was.
out of
And flash them
isolation.
up.
Yeah.
Zone 3.
Yeah, that's right. If the zone was taken out of isolation while still in alarm condition, an alarm signal would have been sent. The final step
Okay,
is
so-
to reset the fire.
So evacuation's complete. She's the
Alright.
last person to leave the zone. So we
Well, that's
cancel
about
the
it.
zone
We'll
man.
just go back to the fire
Activate the
control
zone
system
cleared.
reset. The operations of
We
the
get another
handling
clip that didn't
system
send it
vary
out.
from installation
Oh,
to
no, not that one.
installation.
This one.
In this example,
It.
supply air
And
fan
that's what we're
stops fireflies, but its normal position is right. The panel is now
Oh, right.
So how was that, Shane?
Yeah, really good, thanks, Shane.
Yeah, do you feel more confident
Yep.
in the use of it? It's sort of broken it up into the different elements. And fantastic, I think you did really well.
There we go. I've got no idea.
Okay, feel free to
Will do.
one.
I can't hear him.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, it's alright.
My ears
Wasn't
so
something
really
else.
shuffling.
And I didn't think that the other thing was so out.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a
Zone
listen.
4 is fire, zone 5, and alarms from zone 5 and zone 6.
Oh, okay, so it's telling us to
Oh,
go
right.
to hands.
Most people are out of the building.
Okay. Alright, so see how that's not in order.
Order, yeah.
So that's what the issue is, so pop her in order.
Silence the local alarm.
Just where the,
Yeah, that's
yeah,
it.
good.
That's the bell off.
That's it.
Fire in zone 5. This is the officer in charge. Can you isolate all zones that are in alarm?
Okay, so you want to shut down the evacuation. So back to the Iris. Right, so clean into manual. So just over that, if you just press on the manual
Oh,
up the top of it. That's it.
It's the officer in charge.
Right. And then pushing on methodically all of those buttons. Oh, it actually, this program likes you to start from this side and work that way.
You need to pick up a
Okay.
good
On any order you want.
It's the officer in charge. Confirming we have located the fire in zone 5. My transceiver was breaking up a bit. Listen, we have spoken to stewards. Can you go to the fire fan control panel and make sure the stair pressurization fans are okay?
Well, this is bad for the whole building.
Right, this thought it was going to be the big one.
Press the zone man button for zone 5. You need to press the zone
Okay, so they're asking you to cancel those ones now.
Something down this one now.
That, see the ones with the green lights on? So
Yeah.
just above there. Yep.
Zone 5.
That's the one.
Press the zone clear button for zone 5.
And the one below it.
That's it.
That's
Evacuation
the
is
green
cancelled.
one.
That's it.
This is the chief warden. The evacuation has been cancelled. The evacuation has been cancelled. It is not necessary to evacuate the building. You need to move to the fire fan control panel. Now, to move to the fire, this is the fire fan
So
control panel.
into isolate.
Press the system
Yeah.
roll.
Just where the isolate is.
Oh,
It makes sense to grab it down.
Yeah.
That's what you would do. And then your red system reset button. And that's the full EWIS reset.
No operating lights are showing. That's good.
And key always
Now
buttons
return the
are
key to make sure all switches are set to auto. That's it. All switches are now in the auto position.
Oh, so over on
This
that
way.
one.
Now reset the fire indicator.
Okay, so we want to do the, here we go, reset for
Zone 3,
intro.
floor 1 here. I'm the last one to leave Zone 3, which is now evacuated.
Click the reset. You need to click the reset.
Oh, it didn't register, so
Yeah,
let's
that's
do
it.
it again.
Yeah, that's it. That cancels the original
That's
zone.
all right.
And tells us that zone 3 is no longer manned. Now take zone 4 out of isolation.
This is the officer in charge. Most of the smoke is cleared from the stairwell.
Yeah.
We have extinguished the fire in zone 4. The fire's been contained to the area of origin. No sign of fire in zone 6. Alarm possibly due to smoke travelling up to that zone. Still having trouble with my transceiver. Shut down the evac
So
system.
it's a bit of change if you want to get it out there, but as you can see, you've got your
Oh, okay,
reset
yeah.
on your fire indicator panel.
You need to turn the key to manual. Go back to the fire. To turn the key in this program, click on. That's it.
And he's
The
just
key
talking
needs to be
about
on
that
manual
default
to
stuff.
take control of the installation. Start at zone 6 and work your way down the
Good.
panel. Start at zone
Thank you,
6
Phil.
and work your
No
way
worries.
down the
Yeah,
panel.
That was good. And I've actually,
Now press the alert button for zone
I've saved this to our station computer, so
Oh,
if we
good.
wanted to have a little bit of a play
Play,
all
yeah.
the time.
Yeah, great work.
Now,
So which one are you doing then?
give me a sec and I'll make an announcement. Attention all personnel. This is the Chief Warden. The evacuation has been cancelled. It is not necessary to evacuate the building. That's the announcement done. Now back to the panel. The zone manned and zone cleared button. That's it. The evacuation is cancelled. That's it. Now turn the key to the auto position. That's it. Now reset the fire indicator panel. Now reset the zones on the panel. Start with zone 6.
Bit easier with the mouse.
Now
Yeah, sorry about
That's all good.
Yeah. And I didn't think about the two.
Right.
Yeah.
Now reset zone
That's
The
4.
now.
noises, yeah.
Makes it difficult.
Yeah, different.
Something's not right. Try resetting zone 5 one more time.
Hmm. It's not hot.
Zone 5 isn't going to reset. Leave it in isolation. I'll refer it to the service company. Could you reset the fire fan control panel? That's it. The panel is now reset.
Alright.
Great.
Well done, everyone. Okay, so in summary, the main elements are the FIP fire indicator panel, the EWIS and the fire fans. The FIP gives information about alarms and zone locations.
Yeah.
And we're able to isolate, de-isolate the ACF. The summary, the EWIS is for incident ground communication and evacuations. And the fire fans isolate, direct air and smoke tracking in a fire event. The default position is auto for us.
Yeah.
So we now know how to reset, isolate a zone, fully reset the FIP, the EWIS, cancel the evac, talk on the whip phone, and log the occupant status of the building. Do you have any questions?
No. Very, very good though.
All very clear.
Thank
That's
you.
good.
Well,
Helpful.
That was good.
Thanks heaps, everyone. I really appreciate it. Cool.
No worries.
Okay.
Thank you. God, nice.